right, so you wrap around. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get those one things to keep your finger from burning. That's why I got the gloves and everything. All right, let's in the middle. Ooh, that bitch is hot. Ooh, it's hot. All right, here we go. I'm probably out. Damn. Okay, that's Jesus, man, you waste a lot of money with this shit. All right, so we're down to my last 2 mags. We went 3, 6, 9. We've already shot 90 bullets. We got 60 left.